When embarking on a bathroom renovation, choosing the right material for your shower floor is pivotal. Not only does it need to complement the aesthetic appeal of your space, but it also requires careful consideration of durability, maintenance, safety, and budget. With a plethora of options available, navigating the advantages and disadvantages of each can be overwhelming. Natural stone offers luxurious aesthetics but can be prone to staining. Pebble tiles provide a unique, textured surface but require careful cleaning. Acrylic floors are durable and low maintenance but may lack the warmth of natural materials. This comprehensive guide aims to illuminate the pros and cons of different shower floor materials, offering valuable insights to assist in making an informed decision. Pros and cons of ceramic tiles. Ceramic tiles are a popular choice for shower floors, walls, and various surfaces within homes due to their versatility, durability, and wide range of designs. Here are some of the key pros and cons of using ceramic tiles, especially focusing on their application in shower areas. Pros of ceramic tiles. Durability. Ceramic tiles are known for their long-lasting nature. They are resistant to scratches, dents, and wear, making them suitable for high-traffic areas. Water resistance. Ceramic tiles have a glazed protective layer on their surface, which makes them impervious to water and stain penetration. Cost-effective. Compared to other flooring options like natural stone or high-end porcelain tiles, ceramic tiles are more affordable. They offer a budget-friendly option for homeowners looking to achieve a beautiful aesthetic without breaking the bank. Variety of options. Available in an array of colors, patterns, sizes, and finishes, ceramic tiles offer limitless design possibilities. Cons of ceramic tiles. Cold and hard surface. Ceramic tiles can feel cold underfoot, which might be uncomfortable in a bathroom setting, especially during colder months. Slippery when wet. Unless textured or coated with a non-slip surface, ceramic tiles can be slippery when wet, can crack or chip. Despite their durability, ceramic tiles can crack or chip if a heavy object is dropped on them. Benefits and drawbacks of porcelain tiles. Porcelain tiles are a popular flooring and wall covering option, renowned for their durability, beauty, and versatility. They are particularly favored for bathrooms, kitchens, and high-traffic areas due to their robust characteristics. However, like any material, porcelain tiles come with their own set of benefits and drawbacks. Understanding these can help homeowners and designers make informed decisions for their projects. Benefits of porcelain tiles. Durability and strength. Porcelain tiles are known for their exceptional durability and strength. They are made from finer, denser clay and fired at higher temperatures than ceramic tiles, making them less porous, more resistant to moisture, and tougher against wear and tear. Water resistance. One of the standout features of porcelain tiles is their high level of water resistance. This is particularly important in areas prone to moisture and water exposure, such as shower floors, walls, and backsplashes. Suitable for high-traffic areas. Given their robust nature, porcelain tiles are well suited for areas that endure heavy foot traffic. Drawbacks of porcelain tiles. Higher cost. One of the primary drawbacks of porcelain tiles is their cost. They are generally more expensive than ceramic tiles due to the higher quality of materials used and the manufacturing process involved. Weight. Porcelain tiles are heavier than their ceramic counterparts, which might require additional floor support, especially in older buildings or in situations where large format tiles are used. Advantages and limitations of natural stone. Natural stone is a premium material choice for both interior and exterior applications, celebrated for its timeless beauty, uniqueness, and durability. Utilized in flooring, wall cladding, countertops, and shower floors, natural stone adds an element of luxury and sophistication to any space. Advantages of natural stone. Aesthetic appeal, durability, adds value, eco-friendly, versatility. Limitations of natural stone. Porosity, maintenance, cost, installation challenges, variability. Pros and cons of pebble tiles. Pebble tiles bring a unique natural aesthetic to any space, especially popular in bathrooms, showers, and outdoor areas. Comprising small pebbles attached to a mesh backing for easy installation, these tiles offer an organic look and texture that can transform a space into a serene, nature-inspired retreat. Pros of pebble tiles. Massage-like sensation. Walking on pebble tiles can offer a unique massage-like sensation underfoot. This can be particularly enjoyable in a shower, where the combination of water and the natural texture of the pebbles can create a relaxing experience. Slip resistance. The natural texture of pebble tiles provides excellent slip resistance, making them a safe flooring option for wet areas like showers and pool surrounds. Cons of pebble tiles. Cleaning and maintenance. The uneven surface of pebble tiles can make cleaning more challenging than smooth, flat tiles. Comfort. While the textured surface can provide a massage-like feel, it may also be uncomfortable for some, especially when standing barefoot for extended periods. Cost. Depending on the type of pebbles and the quality of the tiles, pebble tiles can be more expensive than standard ceramic or porcelain tiles. Wood in the shower. Pros and cons. Using wood in the shower can create a luxurious and spa-like atmosphere, adding warmth, texture, and natural beauty to the space. Pros of using wood in the shower. Warmth and aesthetic appeal. Spa-like experience. Customization options. Durability with proper maintenance. Non-slip surfaces. Cons of using wood in the shower. Potential for water damage. Risk of mold and mildew. Higher cost. Limited lifespan. The case for and against concrete floors. Concrete floors, once seen in industrial settings, have gained popularity in residential homes due to their minimalist aesthetic, durability, and versatility. Their raw, textured look offers a unique appeal in modern architecture and design, making them a favored choice for those seeking an industrial or contemporary vibe. Advantages of concrete floors. Low maintenance. Once sealed, concrete floors are relatively low maintenance. Thermal mass. Concrete floors have high thermal mass, meaning they can absorb and store heat, helping to regulate indoor temperatures. Disadvantages of concrete floors. Hardness. The hard surface of concrete can be uncomfortable to stand on for extended periods, making it less ideal in spaces where comfort underfoot is a priority. Coldness. Concrete floors can feel cold underfoot, especially in cooler climates or in basements. Moisture and staining. If not properly sealed, concrete can be susceptible to moisture penetration and staining. Cracking. While concrete is durable, it is not entirely immune to cracking. The settling of the structure, temperature changes, and moisture can all lead to cracks in concrete floors. Professional installation required. Achieving the desired finish on a concrete floor often requires professional installation, especially for polished or stained concrete. Comparing shower floor options. Choosing the right material for your shower floor is a crucial decision in any bathroom renovation. By considering the pros and cons of each option, and weighing factors like durability, maintenance, and aesthetic appeal, homeowners can make an informed choice that suits their lifestyle and budget. Whether you opt for the natural elegance of stone, the durability of porcelain, or the warmth of wood, ensuring the material meets your practical and stylistic needs will create a bathroom that's both functional and inviting.